So we have arrived at this hill station, which is tucked away in the Eastern Ghats among the misty mountains, lush greenery, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but this place is known as Erkard. Uh, Yarkard? Or maybe Yarkard.
Okay, so after the scenic ride from Salem to Yarkad, we are finally here in vacation of Yarkad, the Oila Cottage, kind of a place that I wanted to come to, which is like, very peaceful amidst the environment, which is like a forest. Like you can see all the trees around, birds chirping, and it is so calm and soothing and all that. I mean, it's May and summer here, but still you just feel the wind that comes and hits you, and it's so soothing and calm. Basically, Yerkad is not a touristy place. It's just a normal place where you just can come, sit, feel yourself, calm down from all the corporate chaos. If you're a person who wants to do the slow traveling kind of a thing, then this is the perfect place to just come in and enjoy.
So now that we have settled down in our stay to this peaceful vibes of Yarkad, we decided to stretch our legs a little bit. To our surprise, the popular tourist places of Yarkad, like the Gen Seat and the Lady Seat, are just a few minutes walk from our stays. We are on the road on our way to these places.
We're just heading before it gets dark, so that we could see the beautiful sunset. Uh, we heard that it's very mesmerizing to watch the sunset from those viewpoints.
The climb is not much to the Gen Seat, but the view that we get for the climb, it's totally worth it, right? Like we get to see the entire hairpin bend road from Salem to Yarkad that we traveled in morning, and then all this Eastern Ghat ka view. It's amazing, and this is peak summer, and it's so green out here, man. The trees,
Still, we can get to feel the cold wind.
cold wind on our face, yeah. And here we are sitting in this place, which is totally peaceful. There's no one around, only the two of us, and waiting for the sunset to happen. Look at the golden sun, it's going to set down in some time, and this whole area is going to look golden.
Yeah.
What a laid back, what a slow day. We just literally did nothing the whole day.
I like it that way.
एक दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाएंगे, फूल ही फूल राहों में खिल जाएंगे। मैंने सोचा न था।
Okay, so another morning from the mountains of Yakad. It did rain a little bit yesterday night, and that created a perfect climate over here. The hill is a little bit more greener, and the mist is a little bit more. And then the wetness in the grass and sand, it feels just perfect. So in today's plan, we again have kept everything slow. We'll be exploring 1-2 places. We'll be going to a place known as a Piku Park, which is an animal park over here, which has a very good rating. And then after that, we'll be visiting Yakad Lake, and then we explore some nearby places. So that's the plan. Let's finish this amazingly tasting tea, and then freshen up and move out from the stay and explore a few places, come back, sleep for the night, and next day morning we have to head back to Salem and then Bangalore. Yes.
भी हाथ खा लेगा। It's fine. The most touristy thing one could do while visiting a place is come to the lake of that particular area and go to a boathouse. But the boathouse entrance is just crowded and it's messy. But when you are inside the lake and you get this view, it feels good. Now, Babu? It does. And when you are a passenger princess like her, and the other person is the only one to paddle, then it's much more fun, right? You can't even reach the paddle. Okay.
The sun is down, and so does our little escape to Yarkad comes to an end. We came here to just relax and spend some time together,
Yeah.
and it was quite good, I would say. Amazing.
Yeah, it was. It's like, sometimes just doing less is all you need. Just taking a break and not just taking the checklists. Yeah, it's just to sit down, take a break, breathe, enjoy the moment. So that was Yarkad for us.
Right.
The us time, you can say.
First time, right? And
Yeah.
that's how it should be. We should slow travel sometimes.
Yeah.
That's perfect. So this was our little story from Yarkad. People say that this is poor man's Ooty. I would say let it be that way. Let it be that way so that not many people would come here, and it doesn't get that crowded or what do you say, touristy. And people like us come here, enjoy the vibe, and just leave.
Yeah.
That's our little story from Yarkad. Signing off. Bye bye. Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista.